To integrate Debank with Coinbase Wallet effectively, it is essential to follow best practices that ensure a seamless and secure experience. First, understand that Debank is a decentralized finance platform that allows users to manage their cryptocurrency assets across multiple wallets and platforms. While Coinbase Wallet is a popular digital wallet for storing, sending, and receiving cryptocurrencies, the first step is to set up your Coinbase Wallet, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to navigate its interface and manage your assets. Next, create a Debank account if you haven't already, and familiarize yourself with its features and functionalities. To integrate Coinbase Wallet with Debank, you will need to link your wallet, which typically involves scanning a QR code or entering a seed phrase. It is crucial to handle your seed phrase with utmost care, as losing it could result in the loss of your assets. Once your wallet is linked, Debank will sync your assets, allowing you to view your balance and manage your portfolio. Best practices dictate that you should regularly review your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. A key concept to understand is the importance of security. Always enable two-factor authentication on both your Debank and Coinbase Wallet accounts to add an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Additionally, be cautious of phishing attempts and never share your seed phrase or login credentials with anyone. For practical management, consider setting up price alerts on Debank to stay informed about market fluctuations. You can also use Debank's analytics tools to track your investment performance and make data-driven decisions. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. Debank's platform allows you to explore various DeFi opportunities, such as lending and liquidity provision, which can help you grow your assets. Finally, stay updated with the latest developments in the cryptocurrency space and DeFi ecosystem. Following reputable sources and joining communities related to Debank and Coinbase Wallet can provide valuable insights and help you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of digital finance. By following these steps and best practices, you can leverage the integration of Debank and Coinbase Wallet to enhance your cryptocurrency management experience, ensuring it is both secure and optimized for growth.